There is something that may seem very small, yet it has helped an elderly person regain deep sleep, smooth skin, and a fresh spirit every morning. What could bring about such a transformation with just one small spoonful a day? Warm greetings to all uncles, aunts, brothers, sisters, and friends watching live well every day, on our journey to discover simple yet effective methods for maintaining health and beauty. Today we'd like to share a little-known remedy that many have quietly used and seen amazing results from. It's not an expensive product, nor does it require complicated therapies. It's just a smart combination of a few familiar ingredients, things you can find right in your kitchen. But when blended together, they create a surprisingly powerful formula for wellness. We invite you to stay until the end of the video to discover why this small mixture is considered a natural elixir that improves sleep, skin, digestion, and overall mood each day. If you find this content helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment to share your thoughts or personal tips you use daily. Wishing you health, peace, and happiness with your loved ones. Actually, I stumbled upon this recipe purely by chance. One day, I visited a distant aunt who is nearly 70 years old. The first thing that struck me was how radiant she looked: rosy skin, brisk walk, bright voice, just like someone in her 40s. Out of curiosity, I asked for her secret. She smiled gently, opened the fridge, and pulled out a small jar. She said, "Every morning, I just take one spoonful." A friend of mine from Germany told me about it. Since then, I've felt much better, no more back pain or constipation. My body feels light, as if someone's lifting me up. At first, I was skeptical, but when I got home and dug deeper, I was surprised to learn that the combination of walnuts, almonds, dried fruits, a bit of lemon, and honey wasn't random at all. Each ingredient may seem simple, but it holds unique benefits. When combined properly, they support one another like a gentle but powerful wellness remedy, helping the body heal and grow stronger from within day by day. Dear viewers, let me share why this humble blend is called a miracle remedy. Each tiny component holds the power to nourish the body silently yet consistently. No need for large doses or complex preparations. Just the right ratio and daily use will allow your body to gradually feel real, lasting change. Among the ingredients, walnuts serve as the solid foundation for brain and heart health. With about 100 grams per batch, walnuts offer natural omega-3 ALA, an essential fat the body cannot produce on its own. This nutrient protects brain cells, nourishes neurons, and boosts memory and focus, especially vital for those in middle age and beyond. Beyond brain benefits, the healthy fats in walnuts soften and increase the flexibility of blood vessels, help regulate blood pressure, and reduce the risk of heart disease. Also, polyphenols, natural antioxidants in walnuts, act as shields, guarding cells from free radical damage. For skin, walnuts provide a rich source of vitamin E along with minerals like magnesium, zinc, and copper. These slow the aging process and keep skin smooth and radiant. People with trouble sleeping or shallow sleep may also notice improvement, as walnuts help the body naturally produce melatonin, a sleep-regulating hormone. Their creamy flavor and crunchy texture make daily use a delightful ritual, like a moment of nutritional meditation every morning. Next is the almond, about 100 grams. Small in size, but packed with nutrients. Its standout feature is the high level of vitamin E, an antioxidant that helps maintain skin elasticity and delays aging signs. Vitamin E also protects blood vessel walls from inflammation and supports a healthier heart. Almonds are also rich in magnesium and calcium, two minerals essential for strengthening bones and calming the body. For those dealing with stress or anxiety, a few almonds daily can help naturally soothe the nervous system. The mild richness and crunchy texture not only enhance the blend but also offer a moment of calm in a fast-paced life. Accompanying the nuts is about 100 grams of raisins, seemingly simple but full of valuable benefits. sun-dried from ripe grapes. Raisins retain nearly all their nutrients. The natural sugars in raisins don't cause sudden blood sugar spikes but provide quick energy, perfect for those who often feel tired or foggy-headed. In addition, the high fiber and organic iron in raisins support blood production and digestive health. Raisins act like silent cleaners, cleansing the colon, regulating bowel movements, and promoting gentle detoxification. Antioxidants like polyphenols in the grape skin also help protect the liver and kidneys, while supporting clearer, healthier skin from within. Their sweet, chewy, easy-to-eat nature makes the whole blend more balanced and pleasant. Next comes prunes, about 80 to 100 grams, which gently and silently care for your digestive system. This fruit contains sorbitol, a natural laxative, and a high amount of soluble fiber, which helps cleanse the intestines, reduce constipation, and allow the body to absorb nutrients more efficiently. For those with weak digestion or frequent bloating, prunes are a must-have in this mix. Then there's about 80 grams of dried apricots, golden orange fruits with a sweet tart flavor. Apricots are rich in vitamin A, essential for eyes, skin, and immunity. Potassium in apricots helps maintain electrolyte balance, stabilize heart rhythms, and regulate blood pressure, especially beneficial for older adults. The light tartness of apricots also helps balance the sweetness of honey and other fruits, rounding out the blend for easier daily use. Lastly, just one clean lemon, thinly sliced with peel, is the small yet powerful addition. Lemon peel contains limonene and flavonoids, compounds that detox the liver, reduce inflammation, and boost immunity. The mildly acidic juice stimulates digestion, helping the body absorb nutrients more fully. In this mixture, lemon acts like a guide, helping the other ingredients work more effectively. Pure honey, about 200 milliliters, is the final ingredient, acting like a soft coat that binds everything together while also soothing the overall blend. Honey doesn't just add a gentle sweetness. It also brings precious qualities like antibacterial and anti-inflammatory effects, soothing the stomach lining, aiding digestion, and nurturing a healthy gut microbiome. When the ingredients are covered in golden honey, they're not only better preserved but also come together into a nourishing and delicious wellness gift. And then, when these 7 ingredients unite, the magic doesn't lie in any single one of them, but in the way they harmonize and support each other. Together, they form a symphony of nutrition, nourishing digestion, beautifying the skin, boosting immunity, improving sleep, and promoting peace of mind. This blend isn't a medicine, and it makes no miraculous promises. But if taken daily, just one spoonful a day can quietly become your companion on the path to better health and a more peaceful life, gentle yet enduring, quiet yet powerful, healing from within. Dear viewers, to make this blend, it's not just about choosing the right ingredients. The key is in preparing them gently to preserve all their nutritional value. To begin, prepare a clean glass jar with a tight lid, about half a liter in size, perfect for your first batch. Walnuts and almonds should be lightly toasted in a pan over low heat without oil for just 1 to 2 minutes to bring out their aroma. Let them cool completely before mixing. Toasting is not meant to cook them thoroughly, just to activate their flavor and prevent moisture when soaked in honey. If you prefer raw nuts, that's fine too, just make sure they're fresh, shelled, and not moldy. Raisins, prunes, and dried apricots should be rinsed in warm diluted water to remove any dust or sugar coating, if present. Then drained. If the dried fruits are too large, you can gently cut them into smaller pieces for easier mixing and better consistency. For the lemon, if you have a clean, pesticide-free one, you can slice it thin with the peel. The peel contains precious essential oils and flavonoids that benefit the liver and immune system. If you're unsure of its origin, just squeeze the juice and discard the peel. Once all ingredients are ready, place each portion into a blender or gently pound in a mortar. You can blend it finely for a smoother texture. or keep it slightly chunky to retain a natural crunch. Once the ingredients are combined, transfer them to the prepared jar and pour pure honey evenly over the top. Use a clean spoon to gently mix so the honey fully coats each component. Seal the jar tightly and store it in the fridge to use gradually. Each morning, just one small spoonful of this blend, eaten directly or stirred into a glass of warm water, is enough to start your day with gentle, natural energy. It doesn't require much effort or time, just a small daily habit that allows your body to feel real change. This mixture is suitable for older adults, those recovering from illness, vegetarians, or simply busy individuals who don't have time for a proper breakfast. However, if you have a history of diabetes, a sensitive stomach, or are undergoing treatment, you should consult your doctor before using it to ensure complete safety. It's best to take just 1 to 2 spoonfuls per day. Overuse may cause bloating or digestive discomfort if your body isn't used to it yet. And most importantly, make sure to use clean, preservative-free, and unsweetened ingredients to ensure that this gift to your body is truly healthy. Because in the end, living well doesn't require anything grand. Sometimes, just one small spoonful a day is all it takes. A quiet seed planted for a healthier body, brighter skin, and a more peaceful mind. If you find today's message valuable, Live Well Everyday kindly invites you to subscribe to the channel and share this video with your loved ones, so we can all protect and nurture our health sustainably. Wishing you good health, peace of heart, and happiness in every little moment of life. Goodbye, and see you again soon.